In the last video I shared 2 thumbnail design hacks with you, and today I'm gonna share with you another one that some of the top creators on YouTube are using right now to skyrocket their growth on YouTube. Before and afters. The strategy of using before and afters in your thumbnails is a great way to pique the audience curiosity and make them want to click. One of my favorite YouTube channels, Gravity Transformation, does an amazing job with their before and after thumbnails. They show a situation on the left side and a different version on the right, incorporating their branding as well. Remember, you can use before and afters for anything, not just fitness transformations. Whether it's a new desk setup, a room renovation, or even a recipe. The possibilities are endless. Just make sure to pay attention to the placement of the before and after images in your thumbnails. The left side should always be the before and the right side should be the after. Mixing this up can confuse the audience, so avoid making that massive error.